morning. My name is Larry Buller from Buller Enterprises. We are honored that so many of you have chosen to make our Panel Pro a part of your operation, and it's great to reconnect with you here. After your instrument panels are cut, you still have the job of marking the instrument panels with placards and other panel markings. The Panel Pro instrument panel cutter is a standard of the industry. The Panel Pro 5925 features a full 3-axis CNC control that, along with AvCam operating software, speeds your project from design to finished project. The Panel Pro is not just a piece of hardware that you have to figure out, it's an integrated system of hardware, software, and support that makes instrument panel and sheet metal parts production a breeze. It allows personnel with little training to produce professional quality panels in a short time. Just a little recap of the operation. It's easy and straightforward. A drawing library is included by make, model, and serial number that can be easily modified to suit your needs. You can use your existing computer-aided drafting program or the CAD that's supplied with the Panel Pro to add or move instruments around. When you're done drawing, you simply load it in AvCam, the operating software, and AvCam organizes your file into a logical cutting sequence and calculates tool paths. This can all be done in the comfort of your office. The Panel Pro can cut a typical pilot's panel in 20 to 30 minutes. Once the panel is cut, your job is not over. You have to apply text and graphics to mark the switches, registration numbers, and other placards. Panel marking has always been a challenging aspect of the process. Buller Enterprises is proud to announce the LZ1 laser engraver. The LZ1 is an accessory for the Panel Pro that uses the same drawing that you made to cut the panel to engrave the text and graphics required. The LZ1 engraves with no physical contact with the panel. There are no cutters, coolant, or consumables. The LZ1 is a Class 4 laser available for the Panel Pro 5925. The LZ1 easily handles flat and textured powder coat finishes. The LZ1 darkens the color of the powder coat, so no paint fill is needed for your light-colored panels. The LZ1 can also remove a top layer of paint to expose a different color of paint beneath it. The LZ1 is intended for engraving, but can cut some thin material such as the gasket shown in the upper right. Come see us at booth 619 for more information and demonstrations. Ask us about our show special. Thank you very much.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 61st Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Las Vegas, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.
Are you stall smart? Ever since Orville and Wilbur took to the skies, pilots have been taught that the more airspeed you have, the better off you are. But over the last 100 plus years, we've learned that's not always the case. Take stalls, for example. The common belief is that if you have sufficient airspeed, the aircraft won't stall. The fact is, an airfoil always stalls at the same critical angle of attack in relation to the relative airflow, regardless of airspeed, configuration, or weight. Learn more at aspenavionics.com.
Avidyne is the pilot-centric innovator. If you look at Avidyne's 20-plus year history, we had the first moving map, full color, that had everything on it. We were the first ones to do a primary flight display for general aviation. Avidyne has lots of opportunities and things in the works that will continue the leadership role we played in the past of coming up with new concepts and always having the best user interface to them.